Imagine owning the exact same engine in your car, built identically whether you're in Tokyo, Detroit, or Sydney, yet the oil recommendation flips wildly based on where you buy it. In the US, it's locked to 0W20, but everywhere else, it's 5W30 or thicker. Most people think it's about the engine's needs, but what if I told you it's a regulatory trick that's quietly shortening your motor's life? Today, we're exposing why America forces thin oils for fake efficiency gains, while the world prioritizes real protection, and how switching could add years to your ride without voiding a thing. Insight 1. Oil Policy Secrets. You believe oil specs are pure engineering, right? Wrong. It's politics in a bottle. US automakers chase CAFE standards like their survival depends on it, because it does. Miss by a hair and fines hit millions. Thin 0W20 shaves friction just enough for 0.5 to 1 mpg on lab tests, dodging penalties. But overseas, no such shackles exist, so the same engines run 5W30 for bulletproof durability under heat and load. A leaked engineer memo puts it bluntly: we thin it for paperwork, not pistons. Stick with me. Next, why this gamble fails when tolerances shift. Insight 2. Engineering tolerances. Think tight gaps in new engines love thin oil? Sure, for desk jockey efficiency, but reality bites. As miles pile on, those spaces widen from wear, and 0W20 flows right through without cushioning. Cue faster breakdowns on bearings and rings. International specs counter this with 5W30, filling gaps like a pro under stress. What most ignore is how aging flips the script. Thin for fresh, thick for tough. But wait, the real science of that film is where myths shatter. Insight 3. Oil film science. Cold starts fool everyone. Low W numbers, like 0W, mean quick flow in winter, slashing startup wear. But the hot side digit, that's your shield at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. 0W20 thins out fast, while 5W30 holds firm, blocking metal grind. Most chase cold perks for MPG bragging, but globals bet on hot resilience for longevity. Shocking fact? Same bottle, dual priorities, efficiency myth versus protection truth. Now, why can't US makers just switch? The lock-in trap ahead. Insight 4. EPA certification lock. Here's the handcuffs. EPA tests seal your oil fate. Pass with 0W20, you're stuck, or face retesting hell costing fortunes. Abroad, flexibility reigns, no red tape, so 5W30 flows free for real conditions. What drivers miss is this isn't optimal, it's obligatory. But heat exposes the flaw. Coming up, why thin oil crumbles in America's extremes. Insight 5. The heat stress reality. Freezing states adore 0W20's winter zip, but Arizona's 120 degree Fahrenheit scorch? Oil hits 260 degrees Fahrenheit, shearing thin and starving parts. Mechanics log turbo failures and burn-off spikes. Globals dodge this with 5W30's heat armor, stable where thin falters. Contrast, lab cool versus road inferno. Your engine pays if you ignore it. Nervous about warranties? The law's on your side next. Insight 6. The warranty truth. Void fears paralyze most, but Magnuson and Moss says prove the oil caused it, or warranty holds. High-spec synthetic 5W30? Bulletproof legally. Even OEM bulletins greenlighted. Vets swap post-60K miles for wear compensation. Myth, thin or bust. Fact, adapt safely. But real wear sneaks up. See the daily grind exposed ahead. Insight 7. The real-world wear problem. Labs promise thin oil eternity, but streets deliver dust, idle, and expansion. Past 80K, gaps yawn. 0W20 leaks protection, spiking consumption and ticks. Globals counter with 5W30's buffer for aged internals. Most cling to manuals. Smart ones evolve with mileage. Chemistry trumps labels.
Dive into additives next. Insight 8. The chemistry advantage. Viscosity's just the surface. Inside, ZDDP warriors and ester bases battle sludge and shear. A premium 0W20 synthetic outlasts cheap 5W30 dyno oil. Tribologists swear, formula over figures. What globals exploit, US skimps. Quality elevates any grade. Labs prove it. Results incoming.